Great location, spacious and lovely rooms. We stayed for 4 nights at this lovely hotel. We booked a triple room. The rooms are lovely, spacious with modern design. The breakfast is also great. Not a lot of options, but the latte macchiato and chocolate muffins were divine. The staff is also very friendly and helpful. They've even assisted us in booking a cab to the airport. The location is exceptional, very near the metro and bus stops, going to Trevi/Colosseum. A lot of good restaurants and mini-marts nearby. Convenience location. This place close to train station, easy go to every attraction or other city. Perfect everything. Our stay was awesome. Fab and the whole dining team was great. Reception was great too. The rooms were perfect and comfortable. I love the heating hangar BTW. Great hotel with easy and accessible to public transport. Clean and exactly what we wanted for our stay. Exceptional. Excellent location. This hotel is a hidden gem. The Republic is very clean, staff is extremely professional and give great customer service. Location is great right in Center City. Book this hotel now. Great hotel near train station. If you prefer a short walk to Termini or subway, this is a great hotel. Plenty of restaurants and shops nearby. Excellent breakfast. Very clean queen beds available. Highly recommend. Lovely, clean spacious rooms, very friendly staff and a 5-minute walk from the main train station. You're a little further out from some of the main attractions, but everything is very accessible and still within a 10 to 15-minute walk. I would stay here again and definitely recommend.